This is a tutorial on how to track and post daily attendance for each class. Let's go in and use MBIC 201 as an example. We will then go to the participant list and select a student. Please remember that meaningful activity can be in the form of a lecture, archived lecture, a workshop, archived workshop, a chat session in which course content is being discussed with the instructor, study sessions, discussion forums, case studies, quizzes, virtual lab activity in which the student service support will report to the instructor on attendance activity. We can also take any contact initiated by the student in regards to course content with the instructor that is documented as meaningful work activity. Let's look at Cindy Browning. We will then scroll down to the activity reports section and look at today's logs. If you are tracking attendance that same day, you will be looking at today's logs. This will give you a description of everything that the student has completed for the day. If we look through this page, we see that the student has viewed the discussion forums and has actually added a post at 10:18 a.m. We see that she's also viewed an assignment and has submitted the assignment at 11:46. We see that it was submitted for grading at 11:46 on top as well. We will then go to the attendance report, site administration, reports, attendance report, meaningful attendance, select the class, MBC 201, run report, select the student, Cindy Browning. Yes, she did have meaningful attendance today. She did a discussion forum and submission of an assignment. Save. We now have attendance posted for the student. Remember that you must post attendance for each individual student on a daily basis. Now let's use the example of a typing class. Let's use the example of ANC 103. In some cases, the LMS does not capture Typing Master activity. If the student used Typing Master to log in directly, LMS will not capture that activity. So it's very important that we not only look at the activity log for the student, but that we also look in Typing Master. Let's go ahead and click on Participants. And let's use Vanette Miller. Let's look at her activity reports, today's log. We see that the student down below viewed the course and actually added a discussion forum post. So we see that she posted, we see that she updated a post at 11:09, at 11:05, but there is no Typing Master activity. So let's go ahead and verify in Typing Master that the student has not submitted any assignments. Let's click on her name. After searching for her, we see that the last activity was on the 27th. We can go back to the LMS into our attendance, site administration, reports, attendance, meaningful attendance, select the class, which is ANC 103, run report, And let's look for Vinette Miller. We see that she did meet attendance today. She submitted a posting. She completed a discussion forum. We save it. Let's go ahead and go on to our next example. Let's say that you did not post attendance on the 31st. And so you want to post attendance. Now it's September 1st, and I want to go a day back. The way to track this is, and again, let's use ANC 103 as our example. Let's go to our participant list, and let's select another student. Let's say that we want to check Yvette's work the day before in order to post attendance for submission today. I look at her activity logs. But remember, we are looking for the previous day. Therefore, I will go into all logs and I will search for any activity on the 30th. I see that yesterday she viewed an assignment and she also viewed Typing Master. This does not tell me whether or not the student actually completed work. So we will look her up in Typing Master. Return to user list. Roll on. Let's look at the student. We are looking for August 30th. We see that she actually completed 1 of 7 lessons. Now I will record this in our attendance report for the 30th. Site administration, reports, we'll click on attendance. Meaningful attendance. Select the class, ANC 103. Put in the correct date, August 30th, run report. I will then look for the student. On the 30th, she did meet attendance. Typing, we can abbreviate this, Typing Master lesson. Save. Remember to post attendance for each student and save each entry.